I'm Patricia Nikole, also known as Painted Hair. I am Schwarzkopf Professional's Artistic Brand Ambassador. I'm so excited to be here with you today because I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a lived-in look using modern statements, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm here with my client Lydia, and we are going to be creating a lived-in blonde look that is going to be so beautiful, dimensional, bold, and just striking on her beautiful face and her features. So let me know, what are your thoughts? What are you looking forward to with this hair?
I'm very excited to see how it's going to look like. I feel like the bold will give my face more special look.
Yeah, it's going to be so great. I'm really going to focus on brightening you up around your perimeter. I really want to incorporate different blondes throughout your hair and just give you this boldness that you don't have because everything is just so well blended. We're going to take it up a notch. For application and for your total process. Number one is that whenever you start to tease your section, you really want to go in and pull as much of the hair underneath, so that way you're creating a base that then you can push the tease back and get this really nice, seamless but dimensional blend. And number two is that you want to make sure when you are using the IGORA fashion lights that you are completely saturating your section. You want to remember that this is a hair color that is going to lift and lighten, so it is key and crucial to make sure that you are applying as much as possible that you can safely work with and not create a mess. A tip that I have for being more in control of the dimension that you're leaving behind in the hair is to think about your section size and how much of the hair you are actually teasing away. What I like to do when I'm creating different levels of light and dark through the hair is I like to create thicker panels so that way I could have more dimension, and then the smaller, thinner panels is what is going to give me more lightness. That way I'm playing with the different tones throughout the hair. Let's do an overview of this beautiful lived-in blonde that I created with a lot of highs and lows and a ton of dimension. As you can see, I was very strategic with her placement, and I was careful to not only add lightness but also to preserve a lot of the depth in her hair, so she had a lot of bold movement throughout. This is going to be a beautiful look that you will be able to take back to your clients and give them a look that is going to be long-lasting and beautiful.